Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the third poem, Basketful of Moonlight. This beautiful poem is written by or translated by Sunil Sharma. Originally, this poem is in the Dogri language. The people in the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and northern Punjab peoples spoke this language. Originally, this poem is in Dogri language, and Sunil Sharma translated this poem into English. In this poem, a small child in a village wants his father to return early and safely from the city to tell him the stories. So he requests the moon, give me some sheets of moonlight, and I want to lighten the road of my father's way, so that my father will come early to the home, and I will also listen the bedtime story like other children. Look here, the imagination, the love towards his father, how the son, a child, feel the absence of his father at home. Let's see the poem. The poem is like this. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two baskets full, with sheets of moonlight, from the city to my village on the sides of the path. I want to show many small, small moons of light. The whole village goes to city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to show shades of moon on the sides of the path. This is the poem. It is in very easy language. The words are used very simple so that you can easily understand. What does the child in this poem says in the first stanza? O moon, give me moonlight. He requests the moon, give him the moonlight. How much? Basketful or two baskets full? The child asks, basketful or two baskets full with sheets of moonlight. From the city to my village on the sides of the path, there is a road from city to that child's village. On the roads of that, on the both sides of that road, I want to show many small, small moons of light. The child wants to show, plant the small, small moon of light. The whole village goes to city daily to work. The village people, they don't have any work at their village, so they, for to earn the daily bread, the whole village means many peoples go to the city for work, and it becomes dark on its way back. When they return from their work, that time the sun is sets, means the road becomes the dark. there is no light. The village is quite far. The village also very far from that city. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. The route also very dangerous. There are so many in the darkness. There are so many snakes, scorpions. And other hand, neither bus nor cart plies. There is no bus, no cart to go to return to their village from the city. When my father returns home, I am asleep. So that the child's father returns home late at night. At that time, the child go to sleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. For the morning, in the morning also, he cannot see his father, because while his father was going to the city, that time the child also sleeping. So that, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. Not free. The child requests the moon. Give me moonlight on a loan. Next, when I grow the moons from that seeds, I will return you. I want to, the aim is that, the purpose of that moon, asking moonlight is that, I want to light the dark root. The child wants to lighten the root of dark root, so that my father returns early. He wanted his father must return early to home. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. I also have a wish to listen the fairy tales and stories from him. If I show the moonlight on the both sides, he can easily see the road and he can easily return the home, and he has a time to spend with me. I want to spend some time with him and listen stories from him. In the last stanza he says, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to show the shades of moon on the sides of the path. Means here the poet says the innocent love of a child towards his father. The child wanted the company of his father. In this way, the poem is no rhyming words and it is free verse poem. I hope you will understand this. Thank you.